everyone, and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ, and this is our comment video for tonight's half dollar hunt live stream at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. For tonight's hunt, we're going to be hunting through 3 boxes of half dollars. We have 2 boxes of the NF String & Sons, 1 box of the Yellow Loomis rolls. Hopefully we find some proofs, NIFCs, varieties, and some silver. If we do find silver in the rolls, we'll be giving some of it away. Even if we don't find silver in the rolls, we're still going to have 4 giveaways, and there's going to be 2 ways to enter. First off, comment on this video. That gets you entered into both of these giveaways. We will pick the first one at the end of the stream, and then we'll pick the second one on our regular Saturday winners video. Then, be active during the chat to be eligible for these 2 giveaways if you're active in the chat when we do the giveaways. Well, hopefully we'll see you there at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. We really enjoy chatting with everybody and getting to know everybody, and hopefully we find some silver.